Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everybody, myself Rahul Mishra and I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of Entri. Student, in this video I am going to discuss the Ibps Clerk Pre 2019 reasoning memory based questions discussion. Okay, so this video will be very important for your upcoming examinations because I have discussed most important tips and tricks which you have to consider while solving these kind of questions in your examinations. Okay, so let's start the video then. Okay, so now student, we will solve question number 1 to 5. Okay, so question number 1 to 5 is from the chapter coding and decoding and the type is substitution coding. The same type of question has been already appeared in Ibps Clerk 2019 reasoning memory based paper. Okay, and we are talking about the pre-examination over here. So what you have to do in these type of questions, see, this is first statement, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. Now what we will do, we will first compare first and second statement. We will find the common word, okay, and on the basis of that common word we will have the common code in both the statement. So by comparing first and second, I can see the common word, that is always. Okay, always is common in both, and the common code will be M and P for always. So I can say always is coded as M and P. Okay, is there any word common in both the statement? No. Now we will compare the different statement with the first. Okay, so by comparing first and third, I can see the common word in both the statement is training. Okay, and the common code will be BYO. Okay, for training. So training is written as BYO. Okay, now compare second with third. Teacher is common in both and the common code for teacher will be COH. Okay, so teacher is written as COH. Okay, let me write down it clearly. Okay, now just compare first with fourth. I can see necessary is common in both. Okay, so what will be the common code for necessary? That is ASB. Okay, ASB is common in both. And necessary is coded as ASB. Okay, now second with fourth, I can see perception is common. Okay, so the perception code will be in both the statement. I can say that is DEN. Okay, so perception is written as DEN. Okay, now look at the first statement, is left, so the leftover word will have the leftover code. So in the first statement we have leftover word is and the leftover code is God. So is coded as God or God. Okay, in second statement right is left. Okay, so which code is left for right? That is hen. So right code will be hen. Okay, in the third statement which is left? Can and stop. In the fourth statement stop is also there, so I can easily find the stop code by comparing these two statements. So the stop code will be in these two statements common word, or we can say the common code, that is VYO. Okay, and can is left, so the can code will be RHO. Okay, so can is written as RHO. Now in the fourth statement bad is left. Okay, and the leftover code is PUK. So bad code will be PUK. So this is how we have solved this substitutional coding question. Now we will solve the question based on it. So question number 1, what is the code for right? So right code is HEN. So correct answer is option number B. Now question number 2, PUK is the code used for which of the following? So PUK is used for bad. Okay, so correct answer is option number C. Now question number 3, hen or hen, god, or you can say god, puk would mean. Okay, so hen is written as right. Okay, god is written as is, so right and is must be there. Okay, so in option number 3 we don't have right and is. In option number C as well, in B we have right and is, and in A we have right and is. So what is the code of puk? Puk is bad, so option number B is absolutely correct. Now question number 4, teacher is always linguistic would be written as. So see student, this question is very important. Okay, because this is having a concept. In our given question we have the word teacher. Okay, and we know the code of teacher, that is coh. Okay, and we know the code of is, that is god or god. Okay, and we know the code of always also, that is mnp. And what about this word linguist? See student, linguist is new word. How I can say new word? Because linguist is nowhere used in the given paragraph. Okay, as we can see over here, linguist is not used. So linguist is a new word. For new word we should have new code. And how to find out this new code? By seeing the option only. We cannot assume. Okay, so this answer can be given by using the options only. We can not assume by ourselves the code of linguist. Okay, see coh, god and mnp should be there in each and every option. Okay, look at the option number A, god is there, coh is there, and mnp is there. And pa is a new code because pa is nowhere used in the given paragraph. Okay, so option number A is the correct answer because these three code is also present over there, and we have new code as well. So option number A is the correct answer. Now if we want to verify the next option, so we can also check it out. In option number B we don't have god used, so B is eliminated. In option number C we have these three code, but we have used vyo, and vyo is a code of stop, so this is also eliminated. In option number D, coh is not there, so this option is also eliminated, plus mnp is also not there. So option number A is the correct answer. Now last question, question number 5, which word is represented by byo? Okay, byo is used for training. Okay, so option number C is the correct answer. Okay, so thank you very much students. Okay student, for practice these type of question you need to download our Entri app. The link is given in the description box. When you download it, it will ask you the login detail. When you fill the login detail, you will get the interface like this. On our Entri app, you will not only get the reasoning section quizzes, but also different subject quizzes which are relevant for your exam, such as quantitative aptitude, English, and general awareness. All these quizzes are being updated regularly. If you want to practice, what you have to do? You have to go in the practice section where you will get interface like this. Okay, you can click on the exam which you are preparing. After clicking on this, you will get your free mock test. Okay, so let's suppose you have clicked on SBI Clerk 2020. Okay, after clicking it, you will see the interface like this. Our app will ask you, are you preparing for SBI Clerk 2020? Then simply click on yes. Okay, then you will see the number of courses related to SBI Clerk 2020. You can attempt any of these course related to SBI Clerk 2020. Okay, let us suppose you have clicked on model exam. If you clicked on model exam, you will see the window like this or interface like this. Okay, in model exam section, you will see the number of mocks. Okay, you can attempt any of this mock because it is available free on our app. Okay, let's suppose you clicked on mock 18. Okay, after clicking it, you will get interface like this where it will show you the number of questions in that mock and total time allotted to it and the total number of marks. Okay, after attempting it, you will see the interface like this where you can see the number of questions correct by you and the wrong done by you and total number of question which is unanswered. Okay, after this you will see this analytic window. Okay, this is very important because by seeing this only you will be able to analyze your weak areas and work on it. Okay student, if you like my tricks given in this video, you can purchase our premium classes, which is available only on the Entri app, where I have taken various chapters like inequalities, puzzles, and so on. By purchasing our premium classes, you will not be able to improve your weak areas, but also your marks in examination will also get improved. And student, you are getting another benefit also by downloading our app, that is you can attempt free daily quizzes and you can attempt live IBPS RRB rank booster quizzes as well. And daily live quiz is available at 10 a.m. on our app, and you will get daily 15 questions and time will be allotted to you, that is 15 minutes. Apart from that, you are getting IPS clerk rank booster quiz on the daily basis, where you will get 10 questions in 6 minutes you have to solve, which is of 10 marks. So this will help you to improve your rank in actual examination with high speed and accuracy. Student, if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe it. Okay. If you like our video, just give a thumbs up. Do not forget to comment and do share our video to your friends and other those who are preparing, so that they can also avail the benefit provided by the Entri. Okay, see you in the next video, student. Till then, take care. Bye bye.